So, my dear friends, a hearty welcome to the first unit, that is Nature's Plenty. Yes, now can you see a picture on the screen? Yes. Okay, what is that picture? Yes, it's a picture of a forest. Okay, see, I would like to ask you a question, students. Have you ever gone to a forest?
Yes.
Yes, that's good. So you have gone to forest. That's very nice. Okay, see, which forest area do you like the most? Oh, Thekadi. Okay, now I think there are two pictures, right? On the left one picture and on the right you can see another picture. Of course, yes. What is the speciality of that two pictures? Yes, one is green, the other one is dry. Friends, in that two pictures, which picture do you like the most?
Green forest.
Green forest?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So you don't like dry forest?
No.
No, that's it. Very good. See, how did that forest become so dry? Don't you know that?
Men destroyed.
Men destroyed it, okay? Men destroyed the forest, and that is why that forest area became very dry and dry, right? Of course, we have to protect forest, right? We have to protect the forest and we have to protect the nature. Now I am going to show you a very beautiful video. It's a short video and this tells about a young lady and her story. Please watch on your screen a short video, right? Okay.
This is my sister Suryamani. Suryamani is an environmental activist. Suryamani started the Torang Center to help our people keep our tribal culture alive.
अपनी भाषा बचेगा, संस्कृति बचेगा, अपनी पहचान बचेगा, तब हम बचेंगे। और ये सारा कुछ जंगल के साथ हमारा रिश्ता जुड़ा हुआ है।
When Suryamani was young, we were very poor. Our father lost his land. We didn't have enough food to eat. We didn't have money to pay the school fees. So Suryamani stopped going to school. But one day, her teachers came to our house and took her to study in a hostel. She didn't have to pay her fees. When Suryamani was in college, she started working for Save the Forests movement. Bijay, her friend, used to travel with her. People were not happy about this. Every Sunday, children come from far away to walk with her in the forest and learn about all the plants and the trees.
इस पौधे का नाम है ईश्वर मूल जड़। ये लेटर होता है पूरा वो पेड़ में वो लिखा हुआ रहता है। जहाँ पे सांप काट दिया तो उसमें लगाया। अच्छा, महुआ कौन कौन देखा है? हाथ करा। कटहल कौन कौन देखा है?
Suryamani tells children that we should study in school and we should also study in the forest. We should save our forest if we want to save ourselves. All little girls and little boys want to become like Suryamani. I too want to become like her. She says I can, if I go to school.
Okay, friends, did you enjoy that video?
I enjoyed the video.
Yes. Who is the young lady in that video? Have you heard her name? Yes, that is Suryamani. Very good. Now, before moving on to the story of that young lady Suryamani, you may just take the first page of the first unit, Nature's Plenty. Right? Friends, if you don't have the textbook, you just look at the screen. On your screen, you can see the heading. That is the name of the chapter. That unit is Nature's Plenty. And just below that heading, can you see, I think you can see a quoting of the eminent scientist that the world have ever produced. It's none other than Albert Einstein. And what is he saying? Yes, you just look deep into nature, and then you will understand everything better. What does it mean? The cartoon says that if you want to understand the things around you better and better and better, what is needed? You just go to the nature very deeply. So if you go to the nature deeper and deeper, you can understand better and better. What a quoting? Yes. Now, you just turn to the next page. I think you can see some things in that picture. What are the things that you can see in that picture? River, birds, trees, grass, bushes, flowers, meadow. Okay. So friends, moving on to the next page. That is, a newspaper clipping is there. And it tells the story of that brave young lady, Suryamani. You just go through that news report very thoroughly, read it very carefully, and I'm sure that you can enjoy the story of Suryamani. So if you come across the unfamiliar words or unknown words or any new words, you just underline that words in your textbook, right? Or you just take down in your notebooks, okay?
Nature's daughter, jargon. Living close to nature is living life in full. Suryamani's story will definitely be an eye-opener to those who deliberately walk away from nature.
So friends, I think you have read it once or twice, okay? And you might have noticed some of the unfamiliar or new words in this news report. So I'd like to just give some of the unfamiliar words on the screen now. So these are the unfamiliar or new words to you. Now that you have completed reading, you just take the right side of that passage of that news report. You can see some questions are given there. Very short questions. Which is the first one? What is this news item about? Okay. Can you tell me which type of news it is?
The news item is about Suryamani, a tribal nature activist who loves forest.
Yes. So this news item is about Suryamani, a tribal nature activist. And she loves the forest very much. Right? She is a nature activist from Jharkhand. Okay. The next question is, Suryamani works hard to save the forest. Have you ever made any attempt to save nature? Have you written that?
Yes.
Yes.
We plant many trees in the garden.
Okay, here.
Okay. We place signboards to protect forest.
Good. And which is the next one? The last. Our survival is linked with the survival of the forest. Do you agree with that statement?
Yes, forest can live without man, but we cannot live without forest.
Okay. Okay, having gone through very deeply through this news report, and you have enjoyed the news report, I am sure. See, there is a word son that I would like to just introduce. And in this word son, 2 points have been given. And 2 points are related to Suryamani. What was she? Right. What was she? And what is the thing which is related with Suryamani? Okay. And the 2 things that I have just given here. Number 1, she is a tribal nature activist. Suryamani was a tribal nature activist. And the second one, the second point is she loves forest very much. Like this, you may add 2 or 3 points with this word son. Can you make or can you complete this word son soon? So friends, did you complete that word son? Yes, 2 points have been already given. And what are the other points that you have written? Yes, Save Forest Movement. And that Save Forest Movement was formed by Suryamani when she was studying in the college. And which is the next point? Yes, she considers the forest as her own. See, the forest, she treated that forest as her own. Understand? Yes, which is the next one? Yes, gone for nature walk. Have we ever gone to a nature walk? No? So, today we are going for a nature walk. We can enjoy the sensuousness of the nature. We can enjoy the beauty of the forest. Can we go now? Right now? Okay, come on. But friends, before going to the nature walk, I like to just tell you one thing. That if you go to a nature walk, you will be able to see something. Right? So what are the things that you are able to see from that forest? In a forest, you may just take that note in your notebook. Okay? Then, what are the things that you heard of? The sounds in the forest that may also be noted. And of course, what are the things that you have sensed? Okay, if you feel something like that, you just write down in the notebook. Okay, enjoy yourself. Yes. Okay, children, where are you now?
We are in the forest.
In the forest?
Yes.
Why did you came here?
For natural walk.
For nature walk? Very good. How is it?
Very wonderful.
Wonderful?
Yeah, it is so wonderful.
Very good. Okay. Have you enjoyed your nature walk? Well, I know you have enjoyed your nature walk. Now, just look on the screen or your textbook. You can see some columns are there. In that appropriate columns, you just write what you could see and what you could hear, and of course what you could sense. Right? Write it down on the appropriate columns and just present in the classroom. Okay? Yes.
I can see big trees, I can see big animals, I can see beautiful birds, I can see beautiful streams, I can see sweet flowers.
Very good. What are the things that you can hear there?
The chirping of birds, the trumpeting of elephant, the roaring of lion, the sound of waterfall.
You can see on the screen that when you come on tomorrow, you just take down in a paragraph, what are the things that you have seen, you have heard of, and you have sensed while you were in that nature walk. Okay. So, once again, I would like to say that don't forget to write in a paragraph, and of course, you just read that newspaper report once again and again, and you can enjoy the feel of the sensuousness of that forest and the story of Suryamani. Right? Have you enjoyed the class? Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.